Hello, and welcome to the final podcast in this series on Accenture's technology vision for insurance. In the first two videos, I introduced the study and the 5 most important technology-related trends affecting insurers. To wrap up, I'll share my thoughts on the implications for carriers. I think what has become crystal clear is that the industry is changing at a rapid rate. Not at the edges, but fundamentally. And it's digital, in all its different guises, that's driving this change. As our recent digital innovation survey showed, while the majority of carriers are investing in digital to improve the efficiency of their existing processes, products, and services, the digital transformers, as we call them, are not only doing this, but are also pursuing growth through customer centricity and the development of new business models. It's great that the digital followers are gaining the benefit of their investment, but they have to question the sustainability of their conservative approach when disruptive forces, breakthrough technology, and formidable new competitors are shaking the industry to its foundations. At the very least, they should be drawing on the experiences of the digital transformers, because these are the carriers that are creating much of the disruption they have to manage. And what is it that differentiates the transformers from the followers? Firstly, they tend not to have a digital strategy as such, but rather a business strategy that is altogether digital. Their digital investments are directed less at specific processes or operations than across the enterprise value chain. They have a two-speed approach to digitization. They're addressing their short-term needs by improving specific processes and products, while at the same time investing in their future by exploring the transformative potential of digital. What's also different is their intent is to see the world through the eyes of their customers, so that they can find new ways of creating value for them and growth for themselves. In the process, they're likely to pilot new innovations, partner with other businesses to form value-generating ecosystems, and acquire inventive new startups that give them a new stake in a new business models, products, and services. This is what we mean in the Technology Vision Report when we talk about the shift from a me to a we. It's by mastering this shift that leading enterprises are shaping a new economy. The question that every insurer should be asking himself, in the light of all the change and disruption he faces, is what role will my company play in the next stage of the digital revolution? Almost every facet of this revolution represents, at the same time, an opportunity and a threat. The digital transformers have already answered the question. They're not sitting around, waiting for the next wave of technology innovation to wash over them, or for some new technology standard to be adopted. They're putting themselves in the driver's seat. They're busy reinventing themselves. They're exploiting digital to improve their existing processes, products, and services, and at the same time, they're pursuing new avenues of growth. They're making their big moves, and the important thing is, they're not directed just internally at their current processes and operations. Instead, they're stretching their vision and their boundaries as they shape the next generation of their products, services, and business models. As I mentioned earlier, if you'd like to get a hold of our Technology Vision Insurance Report, simply go to accenture.com/insurance. You'll find it there. Thank you.